I really want dear friend in a dog, but I make him tell you who and get the song name from. Is it? Yeah, dog, cause if he's a man around me, really, I do that. I'm gonna get fixed, Shaji.
Welcome again to Peeps Pop TV 876. You know how we got to work already. Hope all of you guys have a wonderful day. Big up on yourself. Yes, let's get right into the topic. So as I can hear the previous voice note, that was dancehall artist RAJAH. So basically RAJAH is making complaint about the fact that his songs is being released to the public. Unreleased songs which he does not give authorization to anyone to do that. That is basically not a good look. And also that the producers as well. Right, so as I can hear in the previous voice note, that was dancehall artist RAJAH making complaints about the leakage of his songs. Right, so it seems like he and someone was having a conversation and basically the voice note got leaked. Right, so let me know what you think about that.
I really want dear friend in a dog, but I make him tell you who and get the song name from. Is it? Yeah, dog, cause if he's a man around me, really, I do that. I'm gonna get fixed, Shaji.
Let's move on to the next topic.
I see ya. You see boxing.
Alright, the peeps, so we also have a video circulating on social media saying allegedly KMAN 6 was spotted in Jamaica. However, that seems like an old viral clip of KMAN 6 going live when the incident happened in Trinidad. Right, so basically JCF was wondering if this was in Jamaica. However, that video came out on the Wanted Wednesdays list. However, it seems like JCF did their research and found out this video was made in Trinidad. Right, talking about KMAN 6 as well, we also have a video of KMAN 6 on live talking some things pertaining to SKENG and also Shaney. Basically, we're gonna let the viewers them decide. So we're gonna leave a clipping of that video as well.
I think you joke about SKENG and all. Shaney, nah. When I performed in Barbados, Shaney was over there. Me and Shaney was liming. Taking vibes and listening some in music, listening some in my music. That's the thing, innit? Well, something we started to talk about, boy. Alright, yeah. Dog, everything we go on in Trinidad, me I hear it back at Jamaica, innit? He tell them, every time, everything we go on in Trinidad, the news, there's Senator Jamaica, nah. One thing we started to talk about that, he started tell me about, who's this and who's that and thing. I say, man, who's SKENG? I say, Mumbo, you ain't picnic. I say, what? You ain't picnic. I say, where you set up, dog? You like a picnic. I say, I say, me. I say, but we need more. I can't tell this. I see, I start to laugh. By them, I like a picnic, them not do nothing. Them not do nothing in the air, I say, I like a picnic. See him. He tell them he circle here around, have them feeling like he a bad man, and Shaney boys run out them out of Mobile or some kind of story like, Let's say, boy. All about this, you say that you don't do about this, boy. Look a big day, boy.
Make me want to think about the splash. Make me want to think about the JADA and STEFF London. Personally, we go for JADA Kingdom. Honestly, we're going to tell the truth. We're going to boots enough to start the war. And at the end of the day, we're going to run left on it because we're not going to choose over our own. And also for all the STEFF London fans, it's not biased. Right, so basically we selfish that way. I'm sorry, say I just saw it stay, but I just saw it stay. Putting all things aside, I want to give me an honest opinion and what you think about the STEFF London and JADA Kingdom war. Put up the first round and also put up the second round as well. It seems like JADA Kingdom is waving wild flag. Basically, she's saying that Steph London's the lyrical war and she's basically hacking down, right? So, wanna make me know, wanna think about that. You know about TV 876? Big up to all my subscriber. Big up to everybody who check in. Big up to everybody who support the channel. You know, we're not gonna talk too long. No, Scaram, I'm out.
But you know if you feel now we because enough we beg it. Right now me there me guys.
Me no feel no way because me go up na the open and beg, me no beg behind door.
I think I will that do it still, you know.
But me never cuss Perry.
You know, like say you did shy if it, you know, like if you beg a lion, why you did that move shy?
No, the point is, the point is, I'm gonna make.
You know.
No, the point is.